Namaste students. I am Jeevan Dr. Aziz Mahmood Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic basic principles of obtaining products from the downstream processing. So, what are the basic principles and how the your product is isolated in the downstream processing? We know that what is the downstream processing? It is a processing of any kind of product after fermentation so that we can isolate a pure product and the product which is ready to sell in the market, for which we remove insoluble compounds, we isolate the product, we purify the product, and then polish the product, and then we send it to the market. So how the product is purified in the downstream processing? In the product is present in the fermentation broth. Okay. So it is not a pure product. It contains various kinds of cells, various kinds of materials, various proteins, various hormones, various growth factors. Okay. So these materials are present with products, and some insoluble particles are also products. Okay. Some cells are present, cellular products are present, intracellular molecules are products are present, extracellular materials are also present. So these intracellular and extracellular materials are need to be separated. And microbial cells and insoluble particles are separated from the harvested growth, and the process may include some techniques like precipitation, filtration, centrifugation. So these are the methods. The basic principle that we are going to discuss in the next videos. So for the separation of the particular particle, particular product, there are mixture of molecules, mixture of biological uh, cells, proteins, molecules. So for the removal, for the isolation of pure products, the first thing we need to conduct is the removal of the intracellular products. Means we need to remove the cellular products, for which what we need to do. First thing is removal of the intracellular products. Okay. For the removal of the intracellular products, what we need to do? We need to go for the cell disruption. Cell disruption. What is that? Cell disruption. Cell disruption is the method for which we disrupt the cell, and the products which are present in the cell will come out of cells and they will be taken out. So this is the uh, basic basic definition of the cell disruption. The cell disruption is conducted in two ways: a physical method, mechanical method, and a chemical method. What are the basic things which are conducted in the isolation of the pure products in the downstream process? First thing is that preparation of the cell suspension. The cell suspension, we need to isolate some products by cell suspension, such by the techniques such as the flocculation, centrifugation, and the filtration. Three techniques: flocculation, centrifugation, and the filtration. Then we go for the cell disruption. For the cell disruption, what are the cell disruption methods? Mechanical method, physical method, and chemical methods like homogenizers, hydrolytic enzymes. So these are the techniques for the cell disruptions. Then we go for the clarification. The cells which are disrupted they will excrete their products in the extra cellular materials and all that suspension. So from these suspension, they will must be clarified. So for the clarification, we need to centrifuge. So for the clarification, there are some techniques such as centrifugation and the filtration. And after clarification, we go for the concentration, so that product will be more concentrated. So what are the techniques of the concentration, such as precipitation, chromatography, ultrafiltration, distillation is also a method for the concentration. Then we go for the high resolution techniques like chromatography, electrophoresis, and the dialysis, so that we isolate a pure product. Okay, that product will be final product. The chromatography is also conducted in the concentration also, but in the high resolution technique, we go the chromatography for the isolation of the final pure product. Then after isolation of the pure product, we go for the product polishing or packaging. That is the finalizing step. And for the product polishing, there are some techniques such as the crystallization, some filtration methods for the sterilization, some gel chromatography for the purification, the drying for finalization of the product. Then the product is packed, okay, in various containers. The product is now out, then sent to the market. So I hope that students will be better understand about the product processing. What are the basic principles? What are the basic techniques which will be used, which can be used in the isolation of the pure product? So, what kind of questions can be asked in this lecture? It can be asked that explain the basic principle of obtaining pure product, and what are the techniques which are used in the obtaining pure product. The pure product is isolated by the production, recovery, cell isolation of cell, isolation of cell components, cellular debris, intracellular molecules, extracellular particles, then purification, then recovery of the product. So these are the steps. So my lecture is over here. If you have any questions, you can ask me directly. So thank you very much.